Okay, we are back. We had the mouse back in here, and now we have the CamG software, and we have the system on that side. So I am going to begin building the system as I have it on the left hand side. You see I have the SF element in there, and I have this 1 right here. So it goes from here to here. If you happen to get like this, you can move it a little bit to make it look pretty. So you click on this, and then over here, then you would do what you need to do. And then you put the 0 in here, which would be here like this. And then you have this bond, and then you put the 1 in here, which is like that. And then the C element that we have on the left hand side. Just, you see what I'm trying to say? Just go and take a look. Do you see what I mean? This one thing here. And so in here we have the we have another 1 junction on this side over here, and then you have the I element in here, and then you have the R element, and then you have the 0 here, and then we have the 1 like this, and then you have the C element in here. So we have the see, I don't like that one became too small in there, so I'm just gonna move it. I may need to move the C as well. There's a little better. Yeah, in fact I do need to move the C too. So we are exercising other features of CamG to make your life easy. And so we are left to build the left side, the right side. So I'm gonna move over here like this, or I should have moved this one to the right a little bit more, which is fine. And so you have the one that we need to build on this side right here, and then you have their element. But you see, all this time the causality is being assigned, and then you have this SE element. CamG has a bond that you can use, SE. You see it in here, this activated one that goes from here to here. I think perhaps I need to put it up a little farther to the right so we can appreciate it. I'm gonna move it. This single from here, let's say over here. See, there is better. Okay, so you have this element in here. You may say if you want to see the causal mark, you could actually run it as a normal element, but knowing that one of the signals is 0, although it's better to represent it like we have it in there. But that's what we are trying to do here, is to represent the system. And my objective here was to show you the causal assignment that we did by hand has to be the same as you see there. This one is like this, they are all like that. See, there's perfectly a one-to-one correspondence with the bond graph model and the one that we did by hand in here. See in there. Perhaps that way we can see it. And there the causal marks assigned perfectly the same, exactly the same thing as we did by hand. Okay. So, but this concludes this example.